In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check work culture info on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and interpret the insights that matter most before you apply or accept an offer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. Once the homepage loads, use the search bar to type the company name you want to research, then press enter. You'll see a list of results, so click the correct company to open its profile. If there are similar names, double-check the logo or location so you land on the right page. On the company page, scroll to the review section. This is where employees share first-hand experiences. Pay special attention to what people say about the work environment, the management style, the team culture, and work-life balance. As you read, notice the dates. Newer reviews can reflect recent changes in leadership or policy. Most look at the ratings and category scores. You'll see an overall rating, plus breakdowns like culture and values, work-life balance, and senior leadership. These numbers offer a quick snapshot, but think of them as a starting point. A strong culture and value score can indicate clarity around mission and respectful norms, while work-life balance hints at workload and flexibility. Senior leadership gives you a sense of trust and direction from the top. To make the reviews more relevant, use the filters. You can narrow by job title, location, and whether the reviewer is a current or former employee. This helps you focus on experiences that are closer to your situation and the office you might join. Quick heads up, I've placed the official Glassdoor website link at the top of the description, so you can jump straight there when you're ready. As you read, look for patterns. One glowing or angry review doesn't tell the whole story. If multiple reviewers consistently mention mentorship, transparency, or long hours, that's a stronger signal. Consider both positive and negative themes, and weigh how recent and frequent they are. Don't skip the pros and cons sections. They condense what people appreciate and what they find challenging, which can save you time. If the company offers a culture and values section on its page, read that as well. It often summarizes the organization's principles and how they aim to operate day to day. Finally, put it all together. Combine the reviews, the ratings, and the patterns you noticed to decide whether the company's culture aligns with what you want. If what you value matches what employees describe, that's a good sign. If not, proceed with caution. Thanks for watching.